He's gonna start over
Come on.
Make sure you have good cover. Don't expose yourself.
You guys folks to your left now too. Shots.
You hear that cannon?
Our guy there.
I got this guy.
Yeah, I see it.
Drop the gun! He's shooting.
Where are you going?
Fucking.
Is he shooting?
He's still shooting. He's still shooting.
Are you hit?
Yeah, I think I might be hit. I'm alright. I'm alright.
Somebody
I'm
take
alright.
him out. Take him out.
Hey, is he still moving?
He's moving now. He's moving.
I'm alright. I'm alright.
Come here, dude. Check me out.
Am I good?
I don't know.
Shots fired by officers.
Alright.
He's still moving. Lots. Suspects down. Lots. In the courtyard. He's still moving.
Do you got pain anywhere?
No, just my wrist a little bit. I'm good. I think I'm good, man.
Yeah, it might think you just took some shrapnel.
Hey, put your hands straight out very slowly. Lots.
Hey, drone, can you get over him?
Yeah. Lots.
He's moving.
Moving. Lifting his head.
Huh?
You're bleeding a little bit.
I'm good. I'm good.
Lots.
Hey, bro.
Get down and get
Go to the Bearcat to the tent. Someone take him to
I
the
got him.
tent.
Come on.
Come here, dude.
You good? Hey.
He's still in the courtyard. He's down in the courtyard, right in front of apartment 14.
Are you okay?
I got fragged, I think.
Let me take a look. Anyone else?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Where at, though?
Oh, this is
I felt on my face, my wrists.
Light?
I'm gonna stick my shit up. I think I'm good, dude.
Yeah, just something there.
What?
Might be glass or just frag.
I was right behind a what do you call it, like a staircase, and it was hitting the fucking wrought iron fence right in front of me. You know what I mean? So I think I'm good.
Any
dude.
movement? Anything else?
No, I mean I'm good, dude. I think I'm good.
All right.